Is this the best trading strategy or what? This trading strategy based on the descending channel pattern and the simulated descending channel pattern as an educational guess helped me to predict Bitcoin price targets. I'm talking about $75,000 and $76,000 and $85,000 and $86,000. The mid-range on the simulated descending channel pattern and the top of this pattern, descending channel pattern, $85,000 and $86,000 per Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin price jumped higher than I expected. At the end of the day, don't get me wrong, I'm still bullish, but this is not my point. I'm not talking about those accurate price target predictions. I'm just trying to explain you how you can base on this strategy secure gains, at what levels are the best secure gains, and how to navigate in the market like holding a compass or a freaking GPS in the middle of the forest. And let's take a look on the illustration that I prepared for you, and then we'll get back into Bitcoin charts, and we're gonna take a look on more examples based on this strategy. In front of you, here's an example of the descending channel pattern illustration. And let's discuss about this illustration, about this whole strategy. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Do your own goddamn research, and please give the video a thumbs up if you like this content. Please help me to grow, guys. Let me be your friendly neighbor from YouTube. Okay, jokes aside, of course, don't laugh at me because I'm so confident, I'm hyped up that everything play out as I predicted. Let's talk about this illustration and how to use this strategy for you in the future. So in front of you, here's an example of the descending channel pattern. I'm identifying this pattern after getting multiple touches. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. So after the first one, after the first high, the second low, lower high, still the second touch, two touches at the bottom, two touches at the top, the third one, and the fourth, like the third one at the bottom. I'm able to identify the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have that this is definitely some kind of flag or a full descending channel pattern. So this is the mid-range. Most of the time, mid-range is like a super respectful zone. The top of this channel and the bottom of this channel, like this is like descending support, and this is like descending resistance. Represents resistance and a support levels, and the mid-range is super respectful most of the time. And let me just take my arrow and what just happened with the Bitcoin and how you can use this strategy in the near future in your trading journey. So after I was able to identify that this is the descending channel, of course, the perfect scenario is for you if you're, I'm not talking about investing here. I'm not talking about investing. I'm just talking about day trading, because at the end of the day, day traders, we are day traders. We're trying to make money. Our goal is just to make money, but this strategy helped me to predict, as I mentioned you, I don't know, like 5-10 videos in a row that we're inside this descending channel, and I'm gonna use a simulated descending channel on the top as an educational guess to predict at what price Bitcoin can settle, because we are above, I mean beyond this pattern, we are exploring a new all-time high territories when we hit and broke through that high, the previous high. All right, so as a day trader, your job is to short the tops and the long the bottoms. The perfect scenario would be for you to long it from here, all right? From those bottoms. And I'm gonna talk only from the bullish perspective. I'm not gonna talk about like how to short or how, when to sell. I'm just talking about the bullish for those who are bulls, where to secure your gains. So the mid-range, as I mentioned you before, is like a super respectful level in between this channel. So what I do when I identifying that this is like a truly descending channel pattern, because after those multiple confirmations, no doubt that we're in the descending channel pattern. Of course, again, the more touches we have, the more confirmations we have. So after the fifth touch, after the like 5-6 touches on the Bitcoin, if you remember my previous video, this is like I'm a super confident in my entries and exits if I'm gonna navigate based on this pattern. So again, back to the point, what I do, I'm just gonna simply copy and paste, and this is just like an educational guess. I use this strategy, I learned about this strategy from, I don't know, back in the days when some of the traders were talking about like trading channel to channel. I don't know, you can go on YouTube and take a look. Maybe this channel to channel strategy has a different name and I'm like talking nonsense here, but still, this strategy works. And I showed you that this strategy works because for the past 3 months in a row, we were navigating and we're talking about this descending channel on the Bitcoin, descending channel pattern. So this is a simulated channel pattern on top of this one. So I'm always, if I'm gonna long it from here, or from here, if we're gonna find a demand zone and we're gonna start longing from here, open the long position, here, of course, I'm gonna close my position at around here. But if we're gonna flip above this pattern and we're gonna see the price pushing towards the upside, we're gonna close it and we're gonna definitely gonna retest, and we're gonna see that this is our support, not resistance like here, but this is our support right now. My next target points would be at around mid-range and the top of this channel. Most of the time, mid-range, why is it so respectful? Because look how everything beautifully connects. This descending channel pattern example on this illustration, not that perfect. Of course, we're gonna jump on into a live charts and I'm gonna show you how everything is connected. Most of the time, from the previous top, the top, this is perfectly connected with the mid-range. Of course, I'm just gonna simply drag it right here. We're gonna talk about this on the live chart. Sorry for not drawing this perfectly, but still, everything is most of the time connected with the previous tops. So again, back to my point, I'm always gonna secure my gains in the middle of this range, on this channel's mid-range, and the top of this channel. So this is the strategy if you want to trade descending channel or even ascending channel correctly. So those are the levels. Of course, it's a retail trader thing, but still it works. Just go back to this whole strategy, go find that perfect descending channel, and of course, yeah, the price can go even higher, but this is just for the traders. What are the best places, what are the best levels to secure your gains? This is just for a navigation, for navigate you inside the market, like using the freaking GPS in your hands. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it right here. I mean, take a pause, make a screenshot, redraw it on your charts. I don't care. I mean, let's jump into real ones. Let's jump into real charts. Let's just get back to a Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Look how beautifully everything was connected. Oh my God, this is perfect. I was talking about like 3 months, maybe 6 months in a row. I don't remember, but everybody was talking that I'm crazy because I'm talking every single time on my videos the same thing. Look how this resistance or my next target on the Bitcoin is like almost connected with this top. Of course, whatever. We reach my first target point and we reach the top of this channel's target point. I mean, $85,000 and $86,000. Right now, Bitcoin is flipping above this channel. Of course, if you remember my live video, I would love to see some kind of retracement to open my buy long position again, because I want to ride that bullish wave. But if we are not going to see that retracement, well, it is what it is. Like Bitcoin, let's just let Bitcoin hit this all-time high territories. Let's just like hit that sweet $100,000 per Bitcoin. But even look here, look at around here, descending channel pattern. We don't know where the price is gonna, I don't know, go in the near future. After experiencing this breakout, of course, a retest, we're gonna shake off all of the retail traders because, yeah, we found a demand zone. We're gonna start longing from here, and boom, a clean breakout. And look, this retest at around this top right now, yeah, the top of this channel was respected. Even we are in the all-time high territories when there is no data, when there is no freaking data, we respected this descending channels, like a previous descending channels top. Again, just look how everything was. I identified this descending channel pattern, I believe, when we were around here at the 4th or 5th touch that we have, like multiple touches. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have, guys. So this is the strategy. I'm just calling channel to channel, but this is just only for traders. Of course, we are on the daily time frame. Yeah, investment style time scale, but still, I'm just talking how you can base on this channel, how to trade descending channel correctly. Shorting the tops, longing the bottoms, but if we are bulls, the market sentiments are bullish. I mean, everything is bullish. We're waiting for the Mr. Trump to win that election. And yeah, so if the Bitcoin, I was like telling myself, if the Bitcoin is going to experience a clean breakout through this descending channel, I'm going to long it. I mean, together with you guys, I'm going to give you a call. We're going to long, or everyone is going to long it. So those, I was live streaming all of those price targets. $75,000, $76,000, and $85,000 and $86,000, even $87,000 per Bitcoin. Of course, right now we're flipping. We'll see what tomorrow will bring us. Of course, at the end of the day, don't get me wrong, I'm bullish. I was expecting, yeah, again, some kind of retracement, a pullback at around this golden zone between this discounted zone. It didn't happen. We're flipping even above this simulated educational guess type of descending channel. So I'm just gonna take a look on another example, so just bear with me. And we are live on Ethereum charts, ETH 1 day time frame, the daily time frame. We were also squeezing inside this descending channel pattern, and I told you in my previous live video that I'm gonna do the same thing as I did on Bitcoin. All right, after the, yeah, we were trading this ascending triangle pattern that is like a super bullish pattern in my book. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. We traded, we took a long position around here, and I told you guys in my previous live video, and I showed you that I closed it right here. Why? Because I simulated another descending as an educational guess, like in the future for my, I mean for the future, descending, simulated descending channel pattern, like channel to channel. And look how we respected this mid-range, and this mid-range is beautifully connected with the top of this golden zone, because like if this source swing highs and this source swing lows, yeah, the 1 Fibonacci level and the 0-1, and in between there's a golden zone and the discounted zone, we respecting this zone. So everything is connected. So I do believe, and I'm super confident, that this descending channel pattern is valid, and I'm gonna navigate on Ethereum. If I'm gonna trade it after this some kind of pullback, if I'm gonna trade it, I'm gonna navigate again based on this descending channel pattern. What else? So I believe that, look, if we gonna break this mid-range and gonna flip above this mid-range, we're gonna respect, I mean, we're gonna close above this golden zone, and the golden zone will become our support, and the next target is the top of this channel. Look how the top of this descending channel is connected with the previous highs of, I mean, these levels. What is like almost $4,000 per Ethereum. So look how everything is beautifully connected. So when I see that those connections between like simulated descending channel pattern and like the previous highs, yeah, the golden zone, the mid-range, I'm super confident in my entries and exits and all the navigation when we're gonna break and the price is gonna go inside this simulated descending channel pattern. So yeah, let me just find another example. All right, I'm gonna take an example on Shiba coin. I'm just gonna simply remove all of those drawings because that was my previous call for you guys. That was like a trading call, trading alert, the whole trading plan from here. So congratulations for those who took this trade from my whale room. Congratulations. And I'm not gonna be that accurate on this one, but still, if you are a trader and you open your position at around here and we identify that this is like a truly beautiful descending channel pattern, I'm just gonna simply copy and drag this descending channel. Where's my mid-range? Boom. Oh, this is my mid-range. Let me just make this mid-range more brighter. All right, the mid-range. So if you open your position at, of course, I didn't took this trade based on this strategy. I'm only talking about Bitcoin, but still you can navigate into the market on this, I mean, based on this strategy. So if you were open your position at around here, where's my awesome pen? At around here, All right, I open my position here. I can start closing some of my position here. And after a clean breakout, I mean, look at this pump. We respected this mid-range. Everything is beautifully connected. Everything is like beautifully connected. The top of this channel would be our last target point. If we're gonna, of course, this is like consolidation, so don't mind that. This is like a key level, so you could be opening your long position at that key level's bottom. But still, the top of this channel, where we, of course, we're experiencing a breakout and the price is moving all the way to the upside, but still, this is the place where we can secure gains, because this is like a key level, the previous support that became our resistance. So this is just an example how you can navigate, like just get this into your head. Navigate, not predict, let's just navigate. So let's just take a look. Of course, we have the similar situation on Dogecoin. Let's just jump on the Dogecoin. And we are on the Dogecoin charts. Of course, I have to rotate the whole monitor because I can't see the full pump. My God, this is absolutely crazy. My last target point was at around here, at around this pivot point where we are like representing the supply zone. So I'm just, my God, for those who took this trade and hold it till the end, like phenomenal job, risky biscuits, but still. So, all right, we identified, despite this fake out, or shakeout, because yeah, we experienced some kind of like insane drawdown, but still, we identified, and I told you during the summer that we are forming on the Dogecoin and Shiba descending channel patterns. And let's just, of course, the price went all the way to the upside, even higher than I expected, but how this descending channel, let me just drag, copy and paste, drag this, make it more bigger. Look how everything is like connected. Almost the mid-range was connected. Almost. Well, not every single time everything is going to be perfect, but still, the mid-range almost around in the middle was respected. Breakout flipping above this mid-range, and after a retest, we respected the mid-range, because look how everything is beautifully connected with this key level. Mid-range is connected with this key level. Again, after, of course, you cannot see because of my very Picasso drawings, because of that. So I'm just gonna simply delete that. I'm just gonna remove all of those take profit targets. All right, because this is like yeah, this is end of the story of the Dogecoin. So, and look, of course, we're experiencing some kind of fake out, wherever, but still, after a breakout through this simulated descending channel pattern, look how we respected after flipping above this channel, breaking out. We respected those levels. God damn it, everything works perfectly. So I'm talking about the bullish perspective. I mean, for those who are bulls and you want to trade those descending channels with the most famous, one of the most famous patterns in the book. So this how you can navigate based on this pattern. Everything was beautifully connected. Even after this pump, boom, retracement, we respected the bottom of this channel. We respected the mid-range after the retracement. I mean, after the pullback, yeah, movement to the upside, boom, pullback. The top of these channels, like from our resistance, it became our support. Everything is connected. So this video will help you if you're trading based on those descending channel patterns, which is bearish, and we're trying to be bullish from the bearish market structure to flip into a bullish. This is the best way to navigate, to understand, for those who don't understand, for example, what is the support, resistance, supply, demand, so you can navigate based on this descending channel. This is the most easiest way than you to understand all of those complicated things, because I do understand that a lot of you guys like don't understand how to draw or where to identify supply, demand, blah, 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 this and that. So this is wonderful. This is beautifully connected. Everything is beautifully connected when I'm trying to navigate based on another descending channel pattern. So let me just try find another example. And all right, I'm on the Bitcoin charts, 4-hour time frame, random previous Bitcoin data on the charts, and of course another bullish situation at around here. Let's just try to connect our previous tops and bottoms. Everything is like connected beautifully. Of course, you can identify that this is some kind of falling wedge pattern, but I'm gonna assume and I'm gonna pretend that I'm seeing a descending channel pattern. And like a just quick example, I'm gonna drag this. Imagine that I'm here and I don't know what the future will bring me. So look, after a breakout, retested mid-range, after a pullback, respected this mid-range, and then you can close your position at around here at the top of this simulated channel. Beautifully connected. I'm gonna try to find another, just a bearish situation based on the ascending channel pattern and another simulated channel pattern. All right, I found something very interesting on Ethereum charts, 4-hour time frame. It took a while for me to just to find an example because everything is like right now bullish and I'm exhausted right now back testing. So let's just take a look. I'm trying to connect the previous like tops and those bottoms. Of course, I see a potential fake out, but let's just imagine that, yeah, this is like a fake out. So all right, let me just like ascending. It's like a bear flag right now. If the price is going from the upside inside this channel, consolidates, so it's just like, imagine this is some kind of bear flag. All right, copy and pasting. Oh my lord. Yeah. All right, simulated ascending channel pattern from we were talking about the bullish perspective. Right now we're gonna talk about the bearish perspective. All right, the first one, all right, the second one, of course not that many touches that I would like to see, but still, all right, the shake off, the fake out, you can call it however you want, the support, and after a breakout, I'm just talking if you were able to identify this bear flag, this ascending channel pattern, which right now on the bigger picture it's bearish. So but still this is my point about the navigation into the market. Look at the breakdown. We respected the mid-range. You can, I don't know, on even a small lower time frame on a 5-10 minutes, if you're that crazy enough, you can start longing from here. I don't know, take a quick long position, but this is not financial advice. Do your own research. And after a breakdown from the mid-range, we went all the way to the downside. I just want to show you how the mid-range is respected and how to use ascending and descending channels for you to navigate. This is not to predict, this is just to navigate and to make your rational decision. Would you like to close your position in the between the in the middle of this mid-range or at the bottom? Because even if the price is like consolidated and go even lower, still close the position at around here if you are shorting. Of course, the best scenario is for you to start shorting from the tops and long the bottoms, but still, all I wanted to say that everything is beautifully connected when you're doing this strategy, when you're trying. This is just like educational guess based from the channel, when you're identifying channel and you're simulating based on another channel, ascending and descending channel. When we are in the channel, we are bears, but after a breakout, we are bulls, and we can navigate based on another channel where to secure our gains. And the same situation, just a bearish one from the ascending channel or a flag, the bear flag. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share you this trading strategy that I use on the Bitcoin. Let me just get back to our Bitcoin charts. Boom, 1 second. And yeah, we're live on the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin is breaking through this our descending channel, that one that we're simulated, that educational guess. Yeah, again, mid-range, the top of this channel. Short-term traders, that would be like a perfect for you. If you took this position, long position from here, secure that around here. If you're a bull and you're crazy enough, secure, like moving your stop losses at around here and riding this bullish wave, like secure at around here. So yeah, what the future will bring us, I have no idea, but I'm at the end of the day, don't get me wrong, I'm just talking about trading. On the investment perspective, from the investing and the trading, in general, I'm still bullish. I want to be bullish. I'm heavy, as you already know, on Ethereum, but still the Bitcoin is our compass, like a North Star, and I would like to see the Bitcoin successfully reach that $100,000 per Bitcoin. But as I mentioned you on my live video, keep an eye, secure gains all the time, because the big whales probably are watching you, because every single one of you are trying to exit your buy positions at around $100,000 per Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, I hope this video will be helpful in your trading journey, like for a trading journey. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. I'm gonna see you in my next live video. Peace out.